Customer relationship management is at the heart of any successful business, especially in today's digital first world. Leap CRM is a next generation platform tailored to help businesses build meaningful relationships with their customers, manage leads effectively, and streamline operations. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a part of a larger organization, Leap CRM simplifies complex workflows and enhances productivity. This tutorial will provide an overview of Leap CRM, focusing on its key features, benefits, and practical applications. By the end of this guide, you'll not only understand how to navigate the platform, but also how to utilize it to maximize your business outcomes. So let's dive into how Leap CRM can transform your sales, customer engagement, and team collaboration efforts. So for its key features and benefits, first is its user-friendly dashboard. Leap CRM's dashboard is designed to offer at a glance insights into your business operations. You can view key metrics like lead status, sales progress, and pending tasks in real time. So, a simplified interface reduces the learning curve, enabling even new users start managing customer relationships efficiently from day one. Another key feature is its lead management tools. With Leap CRM, you can capture leads directly from your website, assign them to team members, and track their journey through the sales funnel. This ensures no lead falls through the cracks and helps prioritize prospects with higher conversion potential. Another key feature is the advanced sales tracking. So you can track your sales process in detail, including deal value, expected close dates, and team performance. Leap CRM offers visual pipelines that make managing opportunities intuitive and effective. This provides clarity on your sales performance and identifies areas for improvement. Another key feature is the automation for efficiency. You can automate repetitive tasks like follow up emails, appointment scheduling, and customer reminders. You can set up triggers that save time and ensures consistency in customer interactions. This boosts team productivity by allowing them to focus on closing deals rather than administrative tasks. Another key feature is its customizable reports. Leap CRM includes reporting tools that let you generate detailed insights about sales trends, marketing effectiveness, and team performance. This helps businesses make data driven decisions and refine strategies for better results. Another key feature is the seamless integrations. So you can integrate Leap CRM with other essential tools, such as email platforms, project management software, and third party analytics tools. This provides a unified platform where all your business tools work together to enhance efficiency. And another key feature is its mobile accessibility. Leap CRM's mobile app ensures you can manage leads, track sales, and access key metrics on the go. This empowers teams to stay productive and responsive, even when away from their desks. So, why is Leap CRM a great choice? Leap CRM stands out because of its versatility and adaptability. It's built with small to medium sized businesses in mind, offering a perfect mix of simplicity and robust functionality. The platform scales easily as your business grows, making it a long-term solution. Its affordability compared to other CRMs ensures businesses get maximum value without overextending budgets. Additionally, Leap CRM emphasizes user experience, ensuring both new and experienced users can navigate and leverage its features effortlessly. So, whether you need a CRM for lead generation, customer retention, or sales tracking, Leap CRM is a dependable choice that aligns with diverse business needs. So, here are some tips for maximizing Leap CRM. So, first tip is to utilize automation workflows. So, identify repetitive tasks in your sales or customer service processes and set up automation workflows. For instance, use email templates to quickly follow up with leads or schedule reminders for overdue deals. Another tip is to customize dashboards and reports. So tailor the dashboard to display metrics most relevant to your goals. Regularly analyze customized reports to pinpoint areas of strength and improvement in your sales strategies. So basically, Leap CRM is more than just a tool. It's a comprehensive platform that empowers businesses to nurture customer relationships, optimize sales processes, and enhance productivity. Its user-friendly interface, robust features, and scalability make it suitable for businesses at any stage of growth. So by leveraging Leap CRM's automation, reporting, and lead management tools, you can take your business operations to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned CRM user, Leap CRM offers the resources to grow your business and improve customer satisfaction. So feel free and start using Leap CRM today and watch your business relationships flourish in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.